Hello friends, welcome to my channel Floral Style. You are seeing freehand painting pallo design of bahunia on saree, and after this you will be seeing the front design of the saree of bahunia flower. This I'm using golden yellow, then gold color on top of this. I do order works and I teach online professional courses. Those interested can contact me. My details are in this video and below this video in description. I teach freehand painting, oils, acrylic, tanjo, 3D murals, 3D flowers, origata flowers, types of roses, chrysanthemums, birds, faces and many more. I teach tanjore on fabric. I have advanced and basic courses. Few courses are starting from 1000 onwards. Do see my other videos for my exclusive artworks. Do like, share, comment and subscribe my channel friends. I'll be coming up with more interesting new art techniques and paintings on fabric and other artworks. Keep watching. See you. Thank you. Bye bye.